Good morning, good morning. Practice ako dito You know, this is my favorite songs, but every time magkanta kami, merong lyrics na ina-read. So this time, try kong ma-rehearse, but it's not so much nga maka-perfect ako. Try lang, kasi maganda magkanta ka na hindi ka nag-abis na may pinaread ka. So start na ako I think I finally know you. I can see beyond your smile. I think that I would show you that what we have is still worthwhile. Don't you know that love just like a dream and keeps the traveling that way. It's tied up together in the end. In your eyes, I can see my dreams, reflections in your eyes. Found the answers to my affections in your eyes. I can see the reasons why our love's so hard. You and I will drifting simply back to shore. I think I finally learned to love you more. Hindi man sa perfect, but dali na lang makuha. So, listen natin.